Amazon delivery address. Hey everyone, what's up? Leonardo Paiva back with another video. In this update, I'll show you how to add, edit, or delete delivery addresses in the Amazon app. Enjoy these kinds of videos? We've got more like this on the channel. Subscribe and hit that like button. I'm always making helpful videos for you. Alright, let's get started. I'm logged into the Amazon app. Click Account at the bottom. Now click Account again. Scroll down to find Account Settings. What we're looking for is under Addresses. Here you'll see all your saved addresses. To delete an address, click this option. To edit an address, click Change and update the specific info. You can modify details without deleting the whole address. To add a new address, click Add a new address at the top. Enter your details: full name, phone, zip address, house number, unit if any, neighborhood, city, and state. You can set this new address as the default for future orders. You can also add delivery instructions. Click this option to specify more details about your delivery. Like weekend delivery, where to leave packages, and when you'll receive them. Below, add delivery notes. Above, select the property type. This lets you customize your Amazon delivery preferences. You can also use your current location to speed up the process. After setting everything up, click Save this address at the bottom. Got it, everyone? Let us know in the comments below. Subscribe for more tutorial videos. That's all for now. Take care, everyone. God bless you. Thanks.